Today we are going to discuss a feature of Fusion Narrate called browser automation. This feature allows you to complete single action or multi-step actions within a browser-based EMR just using voice commands. Browser automation requires Chrome or the latest version of Microsoft Edge and the Fusion Narrate browser extensions for those browsers. The extensions can be installed by visiting the Help menu in Fusion Narrate. Let's start by showing you what it looks like to use a multi-step browser automation within the EMR. Watch how multiple steps are being performed quickly and with only one voice command. Patient 4 progress note. With this example, the doctor was saved from having to manually click 6 times, and also the action was performed faster than what could be physically performed by the doctor, which saves time. Let's show you how this was built. We have reset the EMR to the beginning, and now we will create that shortcut. So we're going to come into our menu here and create a new shortcut. We're going to click this advanced button at the bottom to get to the advanced browser automation option. And then we're going to name it whatever we want to say for this command to perform. So we'll do it something similar to what we used before. And then after that, all we have to do is record the steps by clicking on the buttons in the EMR. And once you're done, you click stop recording, and it had recorded all of those multiple steps. Now, one last thing that we want to do is change the maximum delay between each step. Currently, we have about 1 second per click in between each click. So we want to make this faster. So let's just set it to a half second to make this happen faster than what we could physically do. We'll hit save, and then we'll test it out. So we'll reset the EMR and try it out. So that's it. Save time and reduce clicks by using browser automation with your web-based EMR. Contact voice2techsolutions.com with any questions. Thanks. Have a good day.